Man, y'all gotta do that whole live over. Oh, you at the top now? We gotta do that whole live over now. Now they can hear you. Prince, you could go up there?
No.
Stop being scared, son. You gotta do that.
Hey, do it.
It's space up there. He's at the top. Okay, so the first segment was them in this circle. It's like a 6-dimensional ball right now. It's like a maze. It's like a 5-dimensional, 6-dimensional ball. Probably like 7 or something like that. So shout out to everybody out there. Like, subscribe, share, comment. My babies is... That's right. So you going up or what? Are you going up? Oh, the bee. Princess. Why would you... Hurry up. Get down. Get down. Oh. Why y'all make her cry? What happened, baby?
Okay, stop crying.
What was it?
Okay,
It was a bee?
Was it a bee? Don't point at me. Don't point at me. I'm staying here.
Stop scaring people.
Is he putting his butt in the...
Alright, so this is what you gotta do. Everybody, like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll be back after these messages. Right now, the water's going off. I'm thinking about shooting a video right here. How about I just shoot my own little video right here? Today is a sunny day. It's about getting wet. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Stay tuned in. Don't get too wet, son. Today's a wonderful day. It's all about having fun, right? Wait. Watch it. No. The phone is right here. Yeah, so remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. What's going on? Getting more wet? You gotta hold on. Okay, I think the kids probably want ice. Help you. Alright, they want me to help them, right? But I'm not too sure if y'all can even see me help them. They playing games. What's going on, yo? Huh? Alright, hold on. Wait. There's a lot of people in my live right now, so what's going on? Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's go. I see a lot of people tuned in. I got a lot of people tuned in. That's what's up. Y'all stay tuned in. Let me clean the camera real quick. Alright. Alright. Here you have it. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Alright. You standing on the water? Like, subscribe, share, comment. phone fell. Yo, y'all gotta press the subscribe button. So like, subscribe, share, comment. The kids is having fun. They want something, I don't know. Yeah, so she's getting something. What's this? What is this? How much is for one, mister? How much?
$3 or $2. What happened? Oh, that's a big one.
How much is that?
$3.
Can I get rainbow?
$2 or 3?
Two.
$2? No, $2.
You bought $3? That's for $3?
$3. Rainbow.
And now, Judge, go on the cool one. Can I get that? Okay.
You want one too?
Yeah. Thank you.
Where your money at?
I do that anyway.
Here. Where your money at?
Mango, cherry or rainbow? Mira.
Where your money at? Give.
Okay.
That one.
She gave you $2?
You got it 2 or 3?
That's
$2.
I want the mango.
$2. Okay.
I want the mango.
Rainbow. Ahí está el rainbow.
She said she want mango. What about you, Prince? What you want? Yo, my man, what you want?
Tampon.
You want a spoon, yeah?
You getting a spoon.
Vale. Está ayudando.
Oh, okay.
You got a cocoa, cherry, mango, or rainbow?
Here, ask him how much is it? How much is it? Ask him how much. How much is it? Ask him how much.
$2, okay, yeah.
$2, right?
Rainbow or cocoa? Cocoa.
Cocoa and something else?
Only cocoa?
You could get 3 colors, son. Pick 3 colors or something.
You got a rainbow or cherry? Yeah?
Ew, I know exactly who I want.
You got mango, cherry, and
Mango, tell him.
rainbow.
Rainbow.
Okay,
Rainbow sounds good.
Yeah, rainbow.
Rainbow
like
cherry.
Rainbow.
Wait.
Rainbow cherry. Hallelujah.
Spoon.
Yeah, once again.
Yes.
You
Okay.
gonna give him a spoon?
Yeah, because I always like
Okay, papi.
spoon.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All right.
Vamos.
Then,
Yeah,
let me get some for $1.
Yeah.
just something small, something small.
Rainbow.
Anything, man. Cocoa.
Rainbow. Cocoa.
The kids.
Only cocoa.
Y'all got the same thing? Let me see. Y'all got the same thing?
Look.
Ooh.
Cocoa.
Cocoa's good. Cocoa, rainbow, cherry, don't matter. Thank you so much.
Fuera.
Yeah, man. Thank you,
Thank you
man.
very much.
Gracias. They going to have fun right now. Shout out to the fans out there.
Me too.
We not done yet.
I'm cold.
They on these swings. They on the swing. Where y'all going? Yo, where y'all going?
Dad, I got the big ice cream. We're gonna play $3.
That's what's up. How much you pay for that?
Can you take me on, Dad?
What?
Take me on.
You can't eat just
No.
yo, but eat your stuff. I don't want you to fall with your icy.
No, look.
You gotta hold on to the swing.
Okay.
You don't need to swing with that.
Y'all got a spoon? Yeah. No.
You know how much I pay?
Give me a napkin.
You know how much I pay for mine? $1.
You got the.
Woo!
Wait. Come.
Now I'm out of here.
No, wait. Let me get some.
For what?
Yo, let's trade later. Yo.
Look at that. Look at that one and look at this one. Come on, man. Stop
Wait,
playing.
Let me get some.
You playing games.
Yo, let me get some. And look, mine's is special. You know why? It's because I got 2 flavors.
Man, knock it off. Hi, you got your own in your hand. How y'all taking some of my stuff? You got your own.
Dad,
What?
why you got this?
I
the
got
same
coconut.
meat?
I got coconut. Y'all don't got coconut.
Yes, look. Coconut. See this one? Got
Oh, okay.
Ow!
I gotta shoot another video. Shout out to everybody tuned in. Come on, man. Y'all gotta press the hearts and y'all gotta like, subscribe.
The fly.
Tell them subscribe.
The fly.
All right, where we
The
go?
fly.
What y'all doing right now? Y'all going back over there?
No.
Y'all going on the rocks?
No, this. Come.
Look, you can sit right here.
No, look. Come. Come, Chris. Yo.
Where you going? Huh? Come over here. They got the seats right there. Y'all want to sit over there? Yo, come on. Sit over there. Look, let's cross the bridge. We're crossing this bridge right here. And we going over here. They over there eating. Look, kids. Look at the waterfall.
Well, look. We can run that red thing.
Look, you see?
I see the water. It's hard to hear you. What's that boy over there? Let's just take the crocodile. Anything.
You see the water? They used to go all the way over there to the other side.
What's that boy?
People were swimming over here. Look, they over here. I hear a plane. Y'all gonna sit over here?
Right here.
No,
Right
right,
here.
right there or right here?
Like sheep. I want a Michael take ride. Sit down. Why is pink?
Look at mine. Mine is almost gone.
What? What?
I'm glad y'all having fun.
I got we not swinging. Like look, now my hand not cold anymore. I wish I had that cookie. This look. Then that's what. Then you flat the look energy spoon.
Man.
My thing melting.
You better hurry up. I'm trying to do a video.
And it turn into flowers. Then next, what I am. Yeah. I go stir it.
You stirring it, but you spilling it.
Yeah, it don't matter. You be the pellet.
Let me get some.
Yeah. Porridge. Porridge.
I don't like that one. That one take. A fly flew in your nose? So, like, subscribe, share, comment. Kiss, act out. They doing their thing. Now, another thing is JJ and Queen. So I need y'all to like, subscribe, share, comment. I'ma still run around and have some fun, as you can see. What? What's that?
Look. It melts like that. Look, Dad. Look.
Oh, I see it.
It's good, right? That plant, put some more in there. Honey.
Come on, man. Let's get wet.
No.
Queen.
What? That is what acid? Over here.
Woo! Like, subscribe, share, comment. Prince and princess. That's what I'm trying to do. Yo, prince and princess. Let's go. Get y'all stuff though. Get your scooter.
we fed Donald and Daisy. Yeah, we're out. Y'all ain't throwing water.
Yo, y'all ready? Get the scooter. Yo. Hello. Get the scooter in the bag so we could go over that way.
I'll take the scooter.
Come on, man. Throw that shit away. Hey, hold it. Here.
Oh my God.
Like, subscribe, share, comment, y'all.
I got my shit. I'm coming.
Get your scooter, though.
So cold. Let's go to the store. No, to the house.
This way. Yo. Shout out to the fans. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's go. Taking the kids to see this waterfall, and we shoot some videos. Y'all stay tuned. Come on, princess.
Let's go!
I think I'm gonna do the Jimi Hendrix over here. So anybody that's staying tuned, y'all know I'm about to do the video right now. So listen, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let's go. Go ahead, baby, go over there. Go right here. Y'all see the water, right? Say cheese. Let's go.